she has already decided her agenda. We as a team, like Alka Tayi, who is a corporator, myself, Soma Magnani ji and all our colleagues are working as a team to have the better change for this constituency, number one. Number two, we have designed the dialogue in such a fashion that today the dialogue is for chai pe charcha about many more issues in your mind. But as far as the constituency is concerned, there are specific issues in this constituency, obviously, which are long pending from many years. How to solve the same? Myself and Poonamji has agreed to that we will have a sustained, repeated dialogue with the citizens group by which we can interact and solve the issues by people's involvement. And I think that is one thing which I appreciate about Poonamji, which she has agreed for the same. Looking at all this point and an apology from all of you, please excuse me to attend another function. Thank you very much.
Okay, good evening everybody. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you all for taking out your precious time and joining us this evening. All Bandra residents have a very bad reputation. We never come to vote. We don't say anything. We don't have an opinion. And today, the whole idea of this meeting is to prove that wrong. We are active citizens. We do care. And we are involved. And the whole idea of today's interaction is, I would like to present Poonamji, our candidate here, so that you get a better idea of who we are dealing with. We all want to know who our candidate is, who she is, what does she do, and if she can address our concerns or not. So that is the reason we have kept this interaction. And of course, we have Mr. Devang Nanavati from Gujarat, who is our BJP spokesperson, who will be giving us the ground realities of how things are in Gujarat. A lot of us are not aware of how things are on a ground level, on the grassroots level. We only know through tweets or through reading or through media. But we have someone here who is from there, who can tell us the truth and enlighten us as to what is the situation really over there. Before I go on to doing that, I would like to say something about our panelists. Of course, Ashish ji has left for the evening. He doesn't need any introduction at all. But our panelist, Poonam Mahajan ji, who is, I think, somewhere here, who's going to be here in a minute. We will talk to her, and I want to say thank you for Mr. Devang also. Thank you for coming here. And I would like to present a bouquet to him first as a mark of thanks. And I request Kevin. Okay, Kevin is gone. Okay, then I request Mrs. Magnani, please, to step on stage and to felicitate Mr. Devang Nanavati and just give him a little bit of thanks. He's come from all the way from Ahmedabad. Come on, just to answer questions. Okay, I think I don't see Poonamji around here. So I will throw the court open first. Let's talk about the grassroots reality in Gujarat itself. I don't see her here. We will involve her. I think she's come back. Okay. Okay. Poonamji, please come on the stage. I would like to introduce you. Yeah. Okay. Just to give you a little brief about our candidate here from North Central, is that she's a pilot, used to be. I think nobody forgets to fly, so I think you can still fly, Mrs. Mahajan. Yeah, so you're a pilot, and that she's also an excellent writer. She writes in her free time. She's written many articles on current issues in Marathi newspapers, and is a very aggressive BJP Karyakarta, major involvement. And I call on you, Ms. Poonamji, to please come on stage and address the people. Yes, please tell us a few words, and then also accept a bouquet on our behalf. Yes? Kevin, could you do the needful, please? Come and give a bouquet to Poonamji, and then I'll request her to take the stage. Yeah. You can't go without answering our questions, huh? But we have questions for you. I request you to take the stage.